the DMK is joining us on this broadcast. Mr. Saravanan, when you talk of state autonomy and a resolution is passed on this, how exactly do you define it? And then there's a question of also constitutionally, is it possible for a state to get more autonomy?
See, we are not asking anything beyond the constitution. The BJP government at the union is trampling upon the constitution. They are throwing away the state's rights. They are usurping the rights of the state government. They want to make every state government a glorified municipality, which we will not allow. That is the reason. See, in the changed circumstances, the BJP, like an octopus, puts its tentacles everywhere and trying to take away all the... recently, we had 2,150 crores withheld by the union government just because they wanted to have Hindi, push Hindi in the state of Tamil Nadu. We opposed it. And there is no mechanism to address that. And they said, it's my way or the highway. This is not how the Prime Minister, who waxes eloquent about cooperative federalism at every opportunity, should act. And when he was the Chief Minister, made exactly the same claims. He said,
but Mr. Saravanan, that's what the courts are for, as the DMK has proved. That's what the courts are for. The DMK themselves have proved that. Your party's proved that by taking on the governor in the court and winning that case.
Yeah. No, that's what I'm saying. See, it's just the governor aspect is just one aspect of a multi-dimensional issue. Every conceivable opportunity, the BJP tries to take away it. So we have to push back. And this is in the present context. Last 10 years, we have seen complete erosion of states' autonomy. And after the advent of the we are seeing it much more worse. So we have to preserve the autonomy that is guaranteed by the Constitution. We are not seeking anything beyond the Constitution. The governor who has to act as per the Constitution is deliberately overcoming that, overstepping the boundaries. What is the union government doing? So this is one issue. So every time we cannot expect us to rush to the Supreme Court to mandate, to ensure that the Constitution is followed. That is not how our framers wanted the Constitution to work. So to iron these creases, to find out where the fault lines are and how to redress them effectively. That is the reason why this committee
No, but Mr. Saravanan, you're saying that within the ambit of the Constitution, you had Chief Minister Stalin in the Assembly saying that amid this situation where Delhi is deciding what states do, states are losing its power. I request to re-evaluate the Constitution, sir.
See, re-evaluate the Constitution in the terms, in the light of the actions taken by the BJP, in how they are...
Sir, so what does that translate to? Re-evaluation? No, a re-evaluation of Constitution is tweaking, re-looking at the Constitution, yes?
Yes, re-looking the Constitution with federal glasses. Wearing a glass which gives us the autonomy, the state's autonomy. The Constitution gives us enough autonomy, enough rights. We only want them. See, earlier, the classic example is the education being in the state list. They transfer it to the concurrent list. Fine, let it be in the concurrent list. But the Constitution gives us a provision to challenge. If the union law is not likable by us, likable by any state, they can take the assent of the president under 254. And here, the BJP is sitting on the president's head and denying all that. So, if at all the union list only has to prevail, why do we have to have Article 254 at all? It is not required. So, in that sense, the Chief Minister is speaking. We are a party, we uphold, we give so much of importance to the Constitution, unlike the BJP, where they thought when they get to 400 seats, we will change the Constitution. Legislative is supreme. No. The Constitution is supreme. We are a constitutional democracy.
Okay. But you are seeking, sir, you are saying there's a need to relook into the Constitution also. Mr. Saravanan, thank you very much for joining us and breaking down really what the DMK's pitch is when they say more autonomy for the state. Kovai Satyan of the AIADMK is also with us. Mr. Kovai Satyan, does the AIADMK not want further autonomy for the state? Why did your party choose to walk out of the Assembly?
DMK knew that we are tabling a no-confidence motion against 3 sitting ministers of DMK. Ponmudi, who made a derogatory remarks recently against women, K.N. Nehru, whose premises were raided by ED for 3 days, another Eva Bill. So, knowing that they will stand exposed, this is a drama. This government is a committee government. I tell you how incompetent the Chief Minister is. The number of committees constituted since DMK came to power would be close to 50. And the outcome result is zero. How many more dramas can Tamil Nadu withstand? And how many more natakbaji can people see? A committee for NEET was formed. With one signature, NEET will be gone. What happened? Neither one signature was there, nor the committee outcome was able to withstand the judiciary. Result is zero. How many more committees? And without forming this committee, they call for an all-party meeting on delimitation. What is the need for it? And what is the outcome for that meeting, all-party meeting? They have misplaced priorities. They don't know what is right for the state, what is right for the people. All they are interested is family.
Mr. Kove Satyan, you've raised fair points. But what does the AIADMK stand on this demand for more autonomy for the state?
Anything that leads to hampering state autonomy, AIADMK will be the first party to defend it in the judicial means and ways and what is laid out in the constitution. Our stand on delimitation, which we suggested in the all-party meeting, that the proportion for Tamil Nadu should not alter or change, was intentionally omitted by DMK in the final draft. What DMK wants is to play dirty politics. They are scrambling for a narrative for 2026 elections.
All right. Kove Satyan, thank you for joining us. We've got the AIADMK and the DMK's view. I want to quickly take this across once again to Pramod to break down for us the message from Chief Minister Stalin on why they brought this kind of a resolution. Pramod.
Ready.
Vanati Srinivasan with him, yes.
Akshita, we have BJP MLA Vanati Srinivasan with us. Ma'am, what do you think about this particular announcement that was made by the Chief Minister today?
See, already our floor leader and State President, Mr. Naina Nagendran, has spoke about it. And see, as far as this committee is concerned, it is unwarranted. And see, as per the constitution, whatever the state rights or whatever the subject that they are handling, no one is interfering in it. And even when the powers, suppose even if it appears to be encroached, yes, the judiciary is there to safeguard the interest of the state. When that is being so, and today in the resolution, again and again, repeatedly, the DMK government is bringing about the NEET, 3-language formula, Hindi imposition, delimitation. There are many things that, see, in the last 1 month, we are seeing the proceedings of the assembly here. So every other day, they are bringing some resolution against central government or accusing central government, and it is completely to cover up their failures in law and order, in the corruption. There are, see, even the sitting ministers' houses has been raided by ED. But see, to divert the attention of the people, they are bringing all these unnecessary resolution. As far as the state autonomy is concerned, already the subject that is being handled by the state, that is all being handled by the state. No one is encroaching. And as far as the concurrent list is concerned, see, the DMK was in power at the center. They have not moved an inch towards that. But now, as being an opposition party to the center, now they are moving all the resolutions. And it is totally, when the Honorable CM is started taking the drums, and all these alliance partners are adding to that. See, nothing more substance we could see in this resolution.
BJP claims there is no kind of like danger to the state's autonomy or state powers.
Sir, it is not that as if that someone is coming and capturing state or as if that they are giving the projection like that. See, we are all working under the constitution. Constitution is supreme. And already the separation of powers is available. When that is being so, what is the necessity of bringing a resolution and also making a committee? See, committee even government can do at any point of time. And it is reminding me, when they came to power in Tamil Nadu, they have appointed a committee to see the finance situation, the financial condition of the Tamil Nadu state. What happened to that committee? The committee had given recommendation. And what recommendation? Now, Tamil Nadu is a #1 state as far as the debt is concerned. This is what the recommendation? So we don't understand. It is only to divert the attention of the people.
In case DMK decides to take this committee report judicially, how will the union government respond?
We will see that. As being a constitutional law student, it is quite interesting for me to understand academically what the committee is saying. That's all, not more than that.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That is the BJP stance, very clearly mentioning that this is something to actually divert attention. That's how BJP is looking at entire issue, Akshita.
All right, Pramod, also on that, we've got a news break coming in with a reaction also from the newly appointed Tamil Nadu BJP chief, Nayanar Nagendran, who's lashed out at Chief Minister Stalin, saying that this is being done. This move of more state autonomy and the resolution for the same is being done to stoke separatism, saying states are being divided for power. This is the reaction that's come in from the Tamil Nadu BJP chief, Nayanar Nagendran, who's lashed out at, in fact, Chief Minister Stalin. Remember that the BJP, which has 4 MLAs in the Tamil Nadu Assembly, staged a walkout even as this issue and this resolution was passed, including Nayanar Nagendran, who's also an MLA.